Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to watch BTS live on Weverse. First of all, launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Weverse has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to watch the BTS live, first of all, you'll have to join their community. For that, tap on the plus icon that you can see at top. Now after that, what you have to do is simply search for BTS. Tap on the search bar. Now type in BTS over here. You'll be able to see the results. Find the community for BTS and tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to the official community of BTS. What you have to do is tap on this option, join now. Now you can select the nickname if you want. Simply tap on the field of nickname. Now you can enter your nickname over here. Now tap on the join now option that you can see on the screen. Now you've officially joined the BTS community. Now you'll be able to access the options like highlight, fan, artist, fan letter, etc. Locate the option for live and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the live replays over here. Likewise, if they are live right now, you'll also be able to see it. So simply tap on the live that you would like to watch. Now after that, you can see over here the live will be played. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you watch BTS live on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.